Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the markets for gold and Bitcoin for 4th till 5th June. So let's begin, and do tell me in the comment section for the currency pairs you want me to predict on. Okay, so let's begin. Here we are on an gold 1 day chart. As told yesterday, we have tested the lower support channel for the gold from some around here, and I have also marked the support zone, which is this. As the market has previously tested this and bounces off here, we have again saw that the market has recently tested the support zone, and then the lower support zone has been also tested by the market. Thus we have seen a upwards movement from gold from some around 1697, from some around 1688 till 16 and 14 till 15. Currently the gold is trading some around 1716 to 1715 due to the economic event number release, and the job loss claim has been negative, which means the job loss claim the number which have come out is more than the forecasted. Thus it is good for gold, and we have shown a 1% gain at in gold since it's open. Okay, now going on a smaller time frame of 1 hourly chart, what a trader should do, where should we take our position, is some around here. Here we can draw a trend line. Here what I am expecting, I have taken my position some around 1997. However, will take my second position on gold some around 1709 till 17012 over here on this trend line once the market closes. Thus we can take a long position some around 1713 till 1714. The take profit and the stop loss would be shown on 2 hourly chart. Here on a 2 hourly chart we can also draw a resistance line for the gold from some around here till here. We can recently see that the gold has broken this resistance and there is a breakout. We can also see that the gold is making an symmetrical descending triangle pattern, as this is the resistance and this is the support zone. Thus we have seen a breakout. Thus a upwards move can be expected until the market tested the 50 MA. Thus going on a more shorter time frame on 1 hourly chart, here we can see that the gold has been consolidating. Here also we have seen that the gold has been consolidating, and here we have seen a breakout through this resistance and the gold is taking the support. Now what we should do for 4th and 5th June is that we are bullish on gold due to the economic data released. Thus a long position can be created on a gold pullback towards the trend line with the take profit just placed below the recent highs some around here, and the stop loss would be just placed some around here. Thus this trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:2, and the position should be open in a range of some around 1710 till 1708 with a take profit of 1741 and a stop loss of some around 1690. Now on gold we can also draw an fib channel. Let me draw it from here till here. Here what I am expecting my take profit for the gold to be placed some around 1723, as we can see a retest towards the trend line as the gold tested the golden ratio, which is 0.618 or 61.8, and we can see a test. So what I am expecting for the gold to do is that we'll go for a long position some around 1708 till 1710 will place my take profit some near the golden ratio, some around 1722 till 1723, thus close my long position, thus will take another position on a pullback trade due to the resistance faced by the gold market on testing the golden ratio, thus will go for another long position some around 1718, which would have a take profit and a stop loss. As shown, the take profit would be placed below the recent highs and the stop loss would be just placed below. Thus the stop loss would be placed some around 1715, just below the resistance line. Thus this, in this scenario or in this forecast and analysis for gold, I have told you two scenarios which are likely to be happened. First scenario, the gold tests this, take a long position. Another scenario, after an pullback of 61.8 golden ratio, taken long position here. We are bullish on gold due to the economic fundamental reasons, as the job loss numbers for the US are in negative and US China tension escalating. Now moving on in Bitcoin chart. We are currently on a Bitcoin chart for one day. Here we can see an ascending triangle, and what I am expecting for the Bitcoin to test this support zone and break through the resistance, and a big rally or a big move of some around 1000 to 2000 point can be expected as going in and past. Here we can also see that the Bitcoin has made an descending triangle. Let me make it. It would be some around here and here. Thus here we have made an descending triangle, and we have seen a breakthrough this with a huge selling pressure and a retest and a downwards move some around 4000. Thus what I am expecting 4000, and the breakout was at a level of 9000. Thus there was a move of some around 6000 point in the Bitcoin approx. Same scenario what I am expecting in the Bitcoin right now if the Bitcoin break this ascending triangle upwards. So what a trader should do for 4th and 5th June is that I will wait for the Bitcoin to test this support zone some around 9353 and will go on long position some around here and expect the Bitcoin to break this resistance. The take profit and the stop loss would be some around like this. Take profit would be here, the stop loss would be here. Take profit will be just placed below the recent highs. This trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:4. Now going on in lower time frame of an 4 hourly chart. Here we can see the ascending triangle in a bigger picture. Thus the trade for the Bitcoin has explained. However, we can see a breakthrough this. If we see a breakthrough this support zone by an 4 hourly or an daily chart, thus we can go for an sale position. The take profit would be updated for that position and the stop loss would be just placed above this support zone. Thus in the summary for gold and Bitcoin, we are bullish for the both, and the both take profit and a stop loss are shown. If you do like my video, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing, and tell me the other currency pairs which you want me to predict on. Thanks for watching.